except a dishonest politician, except somebody who doesn't have that kind of political, purging. And Obeka say, sorry, na yenko criticize NDC at the moment. Just one time you talk about Galamsey when we all know say NDC messed up in 2012, 2016. They messed up with Galamsey. When we came, we should have used that opportunity to change the system, to show to Ghanaians and say, yay, we are better than them. We can do better. But what happened? Our very own people were messing up with Galamsey. And yet, we were kicked out of power for propaganda. And then you have come back in opposition now. You want to come and tell Ghanaian people, say, you are better off.
Yeah, kwa demonstration here. Outu bempase MPP any right say, yebeka NDC asem. Oni Canada Japan so nanam, Canada Japan na asuma outu bempa. So onko condemn demonstration na MPP for ye no. Na ne me Sunday chire MPP delegate. Se sana me no. Ni ebesi bia no me ba na ma ye ne boko. Nam di video na beto nam di chire MPP delegate say enkrofo we na se omo na betima ye kuo no. Canada Japan na enkrofo se momfa kuo no nse omo nsam with this attitude.
Abusia Sabri Senka NPP nursery school and the Kapupima Kanum ya better woman exo and run. There's a fire on the mountain as Sabri de a Jaya Edel NPP will any jacket Ernest Owusubempa Metre Abua Papo and NPP4 actress a woman sa aka petition be a tresse one more ancient money Abua Papo at the assign and Simbi ya woko kind of Busia sa petition no ebeton Montes Nano Benada ya na 24th of September no any Abua Papo one fana hogro sokra. Were to be at the Ama NPP for it any one more support to Dr. Mahamad Bomi and it any Katie Hammond. Abusia Abonya so Ababonte, Abon also Ababono attack. I don't mind a response as an answer now walk on a sebe, a yense, una yanse be and Mubusia no qua. A bra petition about Bonte, not just in Korea, El Sasha Kratasia, or refer petition at the Command National Council. Ya one more NPP mono, Abua Papon assign a confirmed lady show so address who bondog. Ebane say and one saying and army NPP4 won't me any will be a focus and semi muchimu and I'm a day ever best my message of the first so too much GH. Now the bell na can upload it to one first person. Ya won't say every kind akabi. Nama can for back set so at the amount says open bag papa ekita at the akobe be we as any sicani na fe any premier ni premier be sicani to me. It is open bag papa de bu premier no any back set numbers no screen as a fa na any wo enim komo omo kaso kakraba mu ni KFC no na edi enhwene mu bag kala bia occasion bia ho bag wo benya edi ama abusua se yebo edi awura ensem no de nyina yenim se Ernest Owusubempa eye communicator edi ma NPP amanyoko no na se yebekọ yechi ne beka ye ho kakra Ernest Owusubempa na bi kire se wono kra no won hyeda anye NPP ni mapase beka ya fonka game bi ba so no e wo NDC abremu kokodi ye ma me Nana Kuno do Adjumara Rollins na chi sa abre no ho no free ye obehye mu e wo NPP aside ready owo honorable Ken na compare ko Japan camp war campaign e de man den na nansen e na NPP4 e de demonstration bi e hye so a na wo mo e kire se abra no mo aban mu na de ba ko ya NDC4 e de bom so bo e ne Galamsey na e koso man Ghana mo wo mo kire se NPP4 e de wo man ni hwama wo mo ntimi anso Galamsey no ano enu nso ka ho bi e de eto abadetiam na so NDC ba ye de ne yehu e ne Galamsey no left right center to a na yetu nso no se ya na ye se ye kwaye no so se ya na no so e se NPP4 e de demonstration e hye so kire aban ne se e be ya won hwe na won declare state of emergency e fa to Galamsey so se ne be ye na ye nso no ye kwaye na e se no e betimi aboho ban eno e na aboa papokote na pum ne kokoo pae no wo kire se e ba ne se ye no na se e na my moral right ben e na NPP4 e was some demonstration aka kire NDC4 so won declare state of emergency e fa to Galamsey so na sa ke dia fa dia se na NPP4 mu na mu dey kan fa abra na mo ye wa abam na dia na Ghana for anka fa Galamsey no dia e na mutimi ye to the sense na do da kwakufa do kra e de na presidency ni eto so se wentimi anya Galamsey or the presidency no eto so ko see se wentimi anya nti moral right ben na NPP4 wa wo mo e beka Galamsey asem e de a kire NDC4 busia sa ensemi e ne Katie Hammond so ekoka ye no e na abopapo e ma Katie Hammond emuaye sansemi ode ma no ye no hu e na ebi motro petition de koma NPP4 se ne ye de wo mo hwe no munyi abopapo na se akonwa ye nkotie ensem a abopapo kan ye ba response abronya de man no so e ba beti afei ne okoka of him lady show no so ne ni na abrem.
We don't have any moral right at this moment to criticize the NDC because we have failed in all flaws. Failed. And we need to get the moral high ground before we can criticize the NDC. If we don't have the moral high ground, we can never do that. Except a dishonest politician. Except somebody who doesn't have that kind of political, purging. And Obeka say, sorry, now you criticize the NDC at the moment. That's one time you talk about Galamsey when we all know the NDC messed up in 2012, 2016. They messed up with Galamsey. When we came, we should have used that opportunity to change the system, to show to Ghanaians and say, yay, we are better than them. We can do better. But what happened? Our very own people were messing up with Galamsey. And yet, we were kicked out of power for propaganda. And then you have come back in opposition now. You want to come and tell Ghanaian people, say, you are better off. It will take a foolish strategic politician to talk like that. Because Ghanaians will not buy it. Nobody will buy that. And you need to understand that Ghana electricity,
Nsebusia say na abwa papon edi ensem no egu ho enu achi na Justin Kodua ya wo ye secretary edi ma NPP woso no amanyoko no edi na sashe krata ase edi koma neck na wo kire se omusaka petition bi a wo mo se wo mo hwe se abwa papon be na se akonya edi afri ho se party the director of communication edi ma NPP amanyoko e sign nsem ba ko mienu bi a wo kokan no nti Justin Kodua e bo nsem no achi edi koma national council ya wo mo NPP amanyoko no enu na Ghana for ne APP bi chese ede na abronye won kaaye atemben na abronye woni ye wo hia TV ne okwa se wode onabo kana kompa kwa Japan siso no pa wi nwumre de se wo so pano na wo to na yampia eno no MPP fo mo chese omuhu ya na ne abokwapo ekokaaye ne de ne wo ma enwanwa ntiri we no mo se mo de petition bi ekwa akoma na busia abopapo ebeka ne se wi ne se ne enim se abopapo ewo Ken camp na abronye nso ewo Dr. Muhammad Bawumia camp no wono so e de response ekọ e de ma abopapo kire ne se NPP no ye wobi ne ko wie bi ono abopapo no ba mu da ben sei en wo kire na se fai
ye demonstration wie ye no enne so usu bempa one mre MPP hu na oti NDP na yekofa na de tena Ghana gas ma waye yie se taman ne Ghana wo persikafo a oka ho bie MPP ba ban mu no misa prot border enemu misa no ba bia na da no na oni prot MPP 2017 na enoso wusu a high one bedroom e wa kra no wadam one bedroom na no high o enei ono ade ne ho e wo wadan e wo Kumasi won kran e wo bi wa America e ya MPP na no si MPP ngunu ane oni onabo Kennedy Japan nam e kan semtia MPP no MPP aye o mu demonstration yem fra wo sa enoso so bempa bedwan ne because ye kuo na ba power no won ka ho bi en contemporary tro ana didi mo kwaje Ghana Gas Communication Director no ana mo de bom Greek mo de ye mo cat wo ho eno onya obi asema na wo asema ho akontabuo ye den e wo ho na po amabo mo ni NDC fu abo any team na wo mo ni Canada Japan campaign team any Canada Japan na ankasa mo ye madwen se eye pa mo akwaje wo NDC fu ho se mo ma MPP amanyoko no ho ntona akra oso ma ne ma me na de ese mo hu se nsosia so de empa ne sebe ne to dawo akra oso ma ne ma me na ese mo hu se mo ano onabo Canada Japan ne ene so bempa ene alestete no ma yese mo be se kuo no ene onabo Canada Japan ne yire no ni baby ba na one na wa oti TikTok e ka se MPP fo ye nkwasiafo no MPP sika na Canada Japan de hwe ne e ba na won ne wo ye no MPP na ma Canada Japan ye yie ene top money bia Canada Japan de bra wo ne sa akora no e ye MPP sika MPP na ama Canada Japan aye Canada Japan no nyobia President Kufuor ena ma Canada Japan ye Canada Japan na nado danko Akufuado ena abasana di bia be piso ama Canada Japan ye Canada Japan eti nesikana oda maame na oti TikTok wa wudi MPP fo ata MPP ye nkwasiafo MPP ye sei no eye MPP chop money na sira no ye de brew ye yakoye demonstration wi a owutu bempa se MPP ye ni right say ye beka NDC asem oni Canada Japan so nanam Canada Japan na asoma owutu bempa so onko condemn demonstration na MPP for ye no na ne me Sunday chire MPP delegate se sa na maye no ni ebesi bia no me ba na maye ne boko nam di video na beto nam di chire MPP delegate say enkrofo we na se omo na betima ye kuo no Canada Japan ne enkrofo se momfa kuo no nse omo nsam with this attitude ye victimizing enkrofo ye kan enkrofo kasabo se omo yam ye ti enkrofo ti hunu nano tama wuntume kade stroke to from no kura no nkan to from no e kade nko be pie bia na access wo be ba no na nka nye tama wuntumi ayenim no ne nyina aye nkwase akie o nko be free wo be ba no nyame nko akatama wuntumi senka dance ni bi be kan ho a katama wuntumi di hwi ene be pie abonten because of nkwase akie a nyansa nima abanwe a introduce emfa oman mra ho a aban na yere a introduce na ye kwakọ ye ho ye kire aka kire Ghana ni wiase nyina se obuna bebo wa TikTok wa ni yachi Facebook wa ni yachi obuna be yese ani akwakochi former appointees former ministers ni yese intimidation ubie wa no a ye the IPS ebaba abecho IPS no President Mama
Enzabusia ensemi echi na Vim Lady ekoye ni show Fire for Fire na wo frɛ aboa papo na wo bisa ne se papa wate ne aba ne yesi NPP fo bi ensa ka petition se bi matro kata se ensem a wo ka ye no ye ensem a eni susu do ntika be ya party ne kura ye nyi mfiri na afei position e kita wo no ye nyi fafiri usem se na wo ka de afa ho no se me ye be ma me nsin so ma sa na maham me de me sapem bo na me ko machi ne maka ne no na maka me se NPP fo wo ni moral right bi ase Ghana hade ombeka galamse asem na se ba ne galamse dia wo munyai ko no efama Ghana fo na wo mu ko no mo NPP fo de wo mu nsim hu
me respond to everybody is that odi azie ye wo aprinkin sma ene akakapel guru ni edi nti asisie ba na dwuguru ma na obi apoma twede a hyentumam MPP no nye obi ade awo me wo fa ne ban redu MPP no enye obi ade ase de omutiti social media ni nkofo bi na omukeka de MPP no me papa odi azie ne me wo fa na du asabre no omnom kopa ebosia e de chechire dan kwa buzia club e wa santachi wo na the party na ye obi dia ye nyina ye dia na ye obi wo party no otimi sori anopa ejira radio so di asofo mpanifo wo dan na nyina atem no afa ne ho adi afia wuni ya wuni kroma wonte ede na omzo usu bempa ye ede na afia maye die na maka omun kana mintie galamse asem. Now we have the moral right, and I'll repeat it. If you want to come and a meme, your boys, your war, let my vote count alliance. Near demonstrations, I can see Oklahoma say, Mama Ghana, yes, a galamse in Ghana. Under 2012, 2013, 2014, yeah, demonstration change Oklahoma. So me can no be anti-asia. Me can because Ghana politics they say no. I hear a level of moral high ground. Ghana electorate has become so sophisticated. Yet me you be a crocodile the John with ya. The American NSS say yeah demonstrations say mama demonstrate galamse idea you to enyo enye ebe aye afia na nyamia ye ya dum 2016 yaba power ye president Akufo-Addo Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo did the presidency to the line. What did we see? The people away a party no allegedly. Bebre, what do you Galamsey? What is a Galamsey? It me and then and Akufo-Addo. They embarrassed the president. And then Mama about power. What moral high ground to bend na your war? Say yeah, sorry, say we are going to attack the NDC for doing that the same thing that we couldn't stop.
Yeah, but the political campaign some solve it.
Exactly. I agree. I agree. Let the people of Ghana decide. You need some moral right, you know. Okay. You need moral right. Let the people, the ordinary people out there, decide. That is the point I'm making.
Okay.
And I will say it if my conscience, my conscience is what I speak my conscience. You understand? And it's a point. So if you have someone make a just tell me say I'm wrong. What is wrong with that? Are they young fighting internally? At least Ghana for who say MPP for your kind of crack. Yeah, political party, yeah, democracy, yeah, autocracy. We are not doing autocracy. If we are doing autocracy, they should tell us. Democracy, I can't say can be, na men can be. If you are me can somewhere, yeah, some no crack. And I'm telling the truth. And I'm daring anybody. Say me, I'm ready to defend myself anywhere. Say me, Ediana Maka. Ediana Maka, yan kanamintie. Ya toilet say the code discipline committee. Ya obi wo kroma. Okodi di penibia temo ye party mu. Osa the national executives. E catch omo say they can't do him foco. Or no. Or the national executives. Ebe sine, ya ene de onina mo. Now, are we practicing animal farm kind of politics in MPP? I'm ready to go. Because you're practicing democracy, you're fascism. You're fascism. And Obia Subachana dream. Obia Bechana Jokokawa Samafia, and they party where I see democracy, a democracy in a year, Juma. Otias, and and Kophobia who said ye, you would opa, if ya said ye will be a dear life, I told the lie. A brand you MPP, if ya a brand no ye, one of our full soldiers, a brand new power, make a secret to the actual. And then Kophobia to the party, you almost said yes, said the woman, and your man, Nipabi, also been me. Busa also if ya add any to a the very first day to Abawiye, the whole MPP no. Why na NDC for sorry and no pass omo baba be attack him. If you busa, wasn't it on your radio? One there be if you say there is more to that. There is more to that. And I make a social media. No, we put our lives on the line for this party. We put our lives on.
I was and some no any idea go or a day among the way no. And I'm the kaka say boba eja aso NPP mu and I'm a day about someone Ghana for a bisa say near abopa po ye and near abronya any so penimu be any parts in him. Nasa penimu or parts in him the any can share near abronya de kanya if you say Fisa abronya be on here TV any a dapo crunch mu ya one more nabokana compare kwa Japan na wo kana sano one also wet it half to send a betie biano. One also necessary for ebeba. No about my response. Abana say any young insani be who send us a copanesa. Nasa NPP 4% asumje eba party in mudia a moon penny for executives no. One more form of 9 AC form. Na abwa papo abronya one more kabibi fanchum no more say and penny 4 our party like a mess or just half a new padia mom dodo and way and some ya Ghana for can which and no being am dear babasuma message I want so obeja wo de our comment section ho e de ma me na fe when me subscribe button so e ya kai so de bell ne beka ho o ye ne sama say upload ni to mo a when your notification wetin no say ne ensem no ne nyina esiti me din e de dark gold ye be essential.